In the last 5 years or so, we haven't. We've, once again, with her growing up, and yeah, it's the schedules. There's something every night going on, as you know, and there is no time to do anything. And I also felt that it mostly it's new people coming in, and I know that for several years we went on and on with Graham families, and we will go back occasionally to different activities, but it's growing so large that my group has gone on, and so that intimacy that I started with, because we were in the original Graham Families group in 2002, so that was fun going through the whole thing and help building the organization and participating. And then all of a sudden our lives changed, and Amanda became a teenager, and we have all sorts of different activities, and we just didn't have the time. But we think about them all the time, and we see people all the time that have been in Graham Families. In fact, one of Amanda's good friends that has gone through school with her, we got into the Graham Families group, and Connor and Amanda have been friends forever, and they support each other, and it's all because of Graham Families that they knew each other.